Hi, this is Andrea. I created a book with my dad, and this is Imaginary Planet. Today, we are going to do the color reflection, and we're going to do something else, which is a surprise. It's really cool. So the color reflection is all the light in the scene bounces and bounces and bounces until it disappears. So light goes on the ground, and then it goes on the ball. So we'll make the ball a bit blue. Then the sky is a bit white, so we'll put some white on the ball as well.
So yeah, it's basically that.
So we have our new layer, and we're going to use the colors of the scene to do the color reflection. And I'm going to show you a little trick. So if you go and hold on whatever, you get this. You can move it around and you'll get whatever color is on the drawing. So we're going to get this one. Do we have flat brush? Okay, here's flat brush. You know the opacity? We have to do it really low. You just have to put a little bit. It's okay if you almost don't notice because you don't really have to notice it. It's there to be there. Okay, now let's smudge it. Smudge. Okay, there. Now let's pick another color. We're going to get this pinkish, purplish, dark pink, which is purple, but anyways. And we're going to put it there. Smudge it and pick another one. We're going to get a red. Well, an orange, but a red. Now let's put it here. Because on the basketball there's a bit of red, at least. Now I'm smudging it. Okay, it really looks cool, but we still have to put more. So we're going to get that white. We're going to put more. So let's put the white. Smudge it. Smudge punch it. Yeah. Okay, now let's get a red. A really bright and perfect red. So now we're done. So we have this. Some people are going to think that there's nothing there. Like you don't notice it. But let's see the difference. So this is with the color. This is with the color reflection, and this is without the color reflection. Do you see the difference?
I do.
There's a little blue here from the floor, and then there's a little red. Then there's purple here that because the blue and the red makes purple, and then there's a bit white, as you can see from here. From the background, and yeah, that's why. Okay, now I'm going to do the surprise, something really exciting.
Really exciting.
So we're going to make a new layer, but before that we're going to name our color reflection layer because we forgot earlier. Okay, now we're going to make the surprise. We're going to do it. So we are going to add a layer. We're going to rename it. And one thing, it's going to be spots. Don't ask why. You'll see at the end. Well, in the middle of the end. Don't know if that makes sense, but whatever. So we're going to use this brush, Rosity. So we're going to get the most highest one, and we're going to lower a tiny bit the opacity, just a tiny bit, a really dark one. And we're just going to paint all over it, just like that. Okay, there. Now it's all covered with spots. This is meant to be a basketball.
Not a spotty ball.
So we're going to click the arrow, and we are going to click warp right here on the bottom, and you'll get these 9 squares. Like this, you can move it around to make it like 3D. But to make it better, we're going to press advanced mesh. Now you can move it a lot, and it will make it more 3D. So I'm going to move them here. Out of the canvas, out of the canvas, out of the canvas, and out of the canvas. Just like that. Well, not too much, or else it can look bad. Just like that. I think I went out of the canvas. Okay, when you are done, just click the arrow again. And now it looks 3D. So now we are going to duplicate. If you don't remember what duplicate means, you just make a clone of your layer. So now we are going to select this layer, and we are going to press the magic wand that we don't really use, but whatever. And we are going to press this button, hue saturation brightness, and we are going to put the brightness up almost 100%, 90%, that's fine. And when you're done, just press the magic wand again. Now I'm going to just rub it off a bit, just like that. A bit more, not too much, just like that. Okay, yeah, there. Okay, now yeah, we are going to deform it again, but this time it's going to be different because we're not going to go over the canvas. We're just going to move it a little bit to make it 3D, just like that. Let me move this a bit, just like that. That looks neat now. Looks so cool. Now it looks 3D.
Really 3D. Too 3D.
So now to make it even more better, not because this is really dark, we're going to make it lighter. So we're going to press the N.
We're going to press the N.
And we are going to pick one of these. We are going to pick soft light. It's light but soft. Now it's better. So yeah, it looks really done, but it's still not done, okay? And I'm going to end this episode. There's a bit more to do, and that's it, okay? So I'm going to end this episode now. I'll see you in the next episode, which is about the last touches. So there's a few things that we have to do, and it will look amazing.
Amazing, incredible, fantastic, whatever.
Yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.